Have you ever stopped and thought, wait, what if everything I believe until now needs a second look? There is a quote I love from the French philosopher René Descartes, and he says, in order to reach the truth, it's necessary at some point in one's life to rid oneself of all the opinions one has received and to rebuild one's entire system of knowledge from the very foundation. That's powerful, isn't it? Maybe that moment is now. Maybe this is your season to unlearn, reimagine, and rebuild, because growth doesn't always mean adding more. Sometimes it means letting go of what no longer fits. I've been through that process too. It's not easy, but the freedom that comes with starting fresh from a place of truth, that's really yours. What is one old belief you recently outgrown? I'm curious to know. Let's talk here in the comments.